पणजी सध्या महापालिकेच्या वेंचणुकेच्या तयारीचे नेट्टान वारे घोळटा. महापालिकेचे प्रभाग निश्चित जाल्या उपरांत आरक्षणाची अधिसुचोवणी जारी जाल्ल्यान कांय जाणांक दुसऱ्या प्रभागांतल्यान वेंचणूक लढोवची पडटली. महापालिका वेंचणुकेत बाबूस मुंशेरात पॅनल आणि उत्पल पर्रीकर ह्याच्या पॅनला मदीं झूज जावपाचे निश्चित आसा. ते भायर खुबशे अपक्ष लेगीत रिंगणाक देंवपाचे आसा. पणजी महापालिकेचेर कितलींशींच वर्सां जाली आमदार बाबूश मुंशेराताचें वर्चस्व आसा. आरक्षण जाहीर जातकच लेगीत ताणें सगळ्या तिसूय वार्डांनी आपले उमेदवार वेंचून येतले असो ठामपणान विश्वास उक्तायला. तशेंच अंदूच्या वेंचणुकेत नवे चेहरे दिसतले अशेंय सांगलां. मजगतीत महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरातान लेगीत पणजेचे पालिकेच्या वेंचणुके खातीर नव्या चेहऱ्यांच्या उमेदवारा सयत वळेरी तयार आसा अशें ठामपणान सांगले. ह्या कार्यकाळात जायती कामां जाल्यात. खास करून पणजेच्या हुंवाराची परिस्थिती नियंत्रणात हाडल्या. मजगती विरोधी पक्षांचेर वेंचणुकेच्या निमण्या 10 दिसांत वैयक्तीक टिका करपाचेर राजकारण करपाचो आरोप पणजेचे महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरातान केलो.
As far as now even reservation has already come into place as far as CCP polls are concerned. So as far as your panel is concerned, how are you all gearing up?
No, see, we've already finalized a list of candidates for each and every ward. So we are ready. No issue from our side also.
Officially declared? No.
What? No, not officially declared. But we have the names of everybody who we are contesting. There are a lot of fresh faces this time.
As far as the MLA has said 50% new faces, it will be 50% new faces and what it is?
No, so there will be a lot of new faces also depending on how the wards, how the reservations and everything are done. We want to encourage a lot of new candidates to come forward and everything also. So yeah, it will be a good panel.
Any impact of SRR or something in this election?
No, there's nothing. Nothing else.
So when your campaigning starts after Monday?
See, our campaigning means our process. See, our work has never stopped. In terms of formal campaigning, that will happen as and when we get closer to the date. But as of now, we are still responding to all the queries that the citizens have, whatever issues they have, we are addressing currently also. In terms of formal campaigning, that will start only much later.
As far as 5 years as a mayor, what is the plus point that you are taking ahead in this election?
No, see, in terms of, if you look at what we've achieved in the past 5 years, no other council has done as much as we had also. I remember I was talking to somebody, people said that flooding also was something that could never be solved. We have showed in the past 2 or 3 years that flooding can be resolved. In the past 2-3 years there have been no issues in terms of flooding. 18 June Road has been fine, a lot of these other issues have been fine. In terms of, we've won a national award, received an award at the hands of our President, Honorable Prime Minister Modi also has acknowledged our efforts. Panjim is cleaner, it's safer, it's better than it ever has been also. So in terms of work, this council has done a lot. So,
What about the name declaration?
that will happen later.
So no impact of other panels and whatever.
No, see, if they want to campaign in terms of work done, they have not done any work at all. All of these parties will show up in the last 10-15 days, will appeal to people's emotions and everything like that and expect to win votes. Now, in terms of being on the ground, we have been on the ground constantly and we will continue to be on the ground also. So in terms of development, there is no way that they can attack us personally also. They have started criticizing us from day one also, that also has stopped.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीव्ही.